This is my 50-bird submission using Love2D with Lua. There's 4 specifications: the vertical generation of a gap, the horizontal timing generation of a gap, and the awarding medals at the end of the game, as well as creating a pause screen with a large pause logo in the middle and a sound to go with it. So with these, starting with PipePair, we're going to start with specification 1. It was hard-coded here, but we are now just declaring it, coming down inside of the init function to start with a math random gap size 90 to 150 to be a little more generous, and math floor to make it a little more visible. I've also set the vertical jump height for the bird to 4 instead of 5, so that it's a little easier to control. In play state, in order to, instead of hard coding 2 seconds on the timer, we're initializing that timer here. And then as we go through the update function here, using again math random, and I'm using 1.5 to 3.5 seconds before resetting our timer. In ScoreState, I have grabbed pictures of a bronze, silver, gold. So they're over here in PNGs, importing them there as new images so that I can come down into the ScoreState rendering. And I've set just an easy if else, or else if and else statements. Bronze is 3 or 4 points. It says bronze, silver 5 to 8 points, 8 and above, gold, heck yeah, using grabbing the width and the height of those images. Otherwise, you are getting the oof, you lost, and play again. All right, and now for the pause, I did not use a pause state. So in this case, it's a little, there's an alternative way to do it, or this way, and then there's a pause state. Here's my pause sound I've added to our table of sounds. I have this set up with the ability to use a mouse clicks as well as playing with the keyboard. So for this, we have our keypress P here to pause, and this is bringing in the sound for play, toggling whether the game is paused or is not paused. And because we can click off the screen, I'm going to use focus, again, similarly to the keypress for that. So we focus off the screen for any reason, whether that's actually a mouse click or something else pops up, it will pause automatically, displaying the giant pause and stopping the scrolling right here, and the sound. So I'm going to skip down into our this section here, into our draw section. So if the game is paused, the music will pause. I created a massive font that's even bigger because we're outside of our virtual zone, and we're using the pause quite big in center, else play the music again. And so this is what it looks like. Nice and big. I can pause it here. Big paused, center of the screen. So we got that going. It's also with the mouse. I'm clicking on the screen, nothing happens. Click off the screen, pause. Okay, starts again. You can see our heights changing, our timer horizontally rendering changing, and when I crash, I will get some kind of medal. There we go, silver. Thank you for watching.